How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Android. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how you can fix that issue, you may follow up the steps. So the first thing you can do is you can restart your phone. So for that, long press on your power button and look for the restart option on your screen, and it could often resolve temporary glitches. The next thing you can do is head over to your settings, and after you head over to your settings, go over the connections, open it up. And then once you head over the connections, you should be finding Wi-Fi and mobile data. So you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, turning it off, turning it on again to see if you can access the internet, then switch back. After that, you can also even update your phone's operating system. For that, even same here in your settings, you may scroll down and look for software update option. And if there is any kind of software updates, you can just go ahead and update your device, as outdated software or drivers can sometimes cause connectivity issues. After that is done, you may head over to your connections as well and look out for your Wi-Fi. Just go ahead and look out for your Wi-Fi and go over to your Wi-Fi. And the thing is, you can just go ahead and forget your password and then just go ahead and reconnect it again to see if that fixes your issues. And the thing is, if your phone is in a location within a weak signal, it might be struggling to connect to the internet. So make sure you are in a area where the internet is connecting properly as well. And that is it for now. You may follow up this method in order to fix the issues. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another one.